What's up, Dynamites? It's Kennedy from Dynamic Reactions, and we are here for Black Lightning, the final season. Season 4, Episode 1, The Book of Reconstruction, Chapter 1. Now, I'm gonna be honest with y'all. I do not remember what happened last season. It's been forever and 5 million years. So, this recap is going to be desperately needed at the beginning of this episode. I'm really excited to see what the fam is up to, how things have changed since, the multiverse is officially won, the Arrowverse. So, yeah, without further ado, let's get into this reaction. Full reactions are on Patreon, starting at that $3 tier. All right, let's do it. All right, Grace. Oh, no, it's all flooding back now. Oh, no. Yeah, and Tobias' ugly butt wanna, do whatever with Lynn. Oh, my God, I'm gonna miss these title cards. Ooh. The shot. I had chills. Is that a superhero baby with violin powers?
Hey, where's the drugs?
Hey, no. What?
Get back in your vehicle.
Wow. Wow.
I told you to get back in your car. Look, arm to you. I'm so tired of this.
Yeesh. Oh my God. Did he just zap their memories? Okay, call back to season 1. I see you. Oh my God, the title card. I'm gonna miss this show so much. I thought she was about to do something.
It just feels like you've abandoned us.
Oh,
Left us to do this.
marriage canceling? What's happening?
Do you think maybe you abandoned me?
Oh,
You left me and the girls.
wait.
Good for you, but
Your worst is in my notes.
He's beating himself up and shutting everybody out because of Henderson.
And even deeper than
Self-sabotage.
but the honesty,
Bad
about
habit.
what you're feeling, it has to.
Can we just bring in a meta-human psychologist? They all need it. He said for some, I'm dead. Calm Jefferson. Oh Lord. Oh Lord. Woo! Okay, Lala. All right. What, did she figure out voice modulation, or is she injecting herself again? Yo, they started shooting without any hesitation. Woo! Ooh, yes, gymnastics. Let's go. I didn't know I was gonna be getting any sister action today, but I'm happy. Yes, action scene she deserves. Good job. Good job. Sister teamwork.
You here?
There's violin again. Something
About myself.
Something is up.
How do I know you didn't write it yourself?
When you grow your balls back.
Was that popcorn? What? Wow, why her? Oh, you ain't never lied. Okay.
What is it?
Yesterday, two
That's
freaking
Mr.
cops were brutally
Popcorn.
attacked and sent to the ICU.
Oh. Oh, Jefferson.
It
If
is.
you don't put on
All
the
their
dang
cameras are burnt
suit,
out
I
and they
swear to
managed get a
God.
partial plate number. There are only 6 people in Freeland with their plate ending in that number. One of them's yours.
I thought Gabby said he took care of it.
We checked them out.
Jeff. Sir. This is... Okay, pause. What the heck is this man doing? He doesn't even care. He doesn't even care. He doesn't care about his bodily health at this point. He don't care about his identity getting out at this point. He going to this boy's apartment, no suit, no nothing. About to beat this boy up. This is like an upside down version of season 1, episode 1 through 2. Oh, not are you right-handed or left? Oh, what the heck? What? Jefferson! What? I don't know what to do with this. I don't know. He's lost it. Is she control falling or is she falling? Excuse me? Excuse me? They really didn't give us a promo. They really didn't give us a promo. Wow. Wow. Okay. Okay, y'all. They didn't give us a promo. I'm stressed. My baby Jennifer is falling out of the sky. I want to know what's the matter. I want to know what's up with this violin music cue. Who is this new person that Henderson brought into Jefferson's life? Post-mortem. I have so many questions. I need Jeff to snap out of it because he's scaring me. He crippling people, running around without a suit on, risking his life in every way possible. This season is a mess. I'm already scared. Thank y'all for watching this episode of Black Lightning with me. If you're new here, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I react to Black Lightning every single Monday, so be sure to turn on your notifications for that. If you want to donate to the channel monetarily, you can do so through the Cash App, PayPal, Venmo links in the description, as well as my face cam here. Also, be sure to check out the Patreon for those full reactions. Special shout out to my patrons, my mother and Alix. Their support is so appreciated, as is yours. And don't forget, if you want to talk Black Lightning with me live, we're live on Twitch every single Monday, Wednesday, and Thursday at 12 p.m. Eastern. All right. I will see you guys on the next one.